Hello and welcome to Module 1, Formulas and Applications Volume. I'm Mr. DeSimone and I will be your instructor for this class. What will you learn in Module 1? In this lesson you will learn how the formulas for the circumference of a circle and the area of a circle, the volume of the circle, cone, and sphere are derived. Students will learn the definition of Cavalieri's principle and how to apply it. Students will also learn how to solve real-world applications involving volume and understand and explain how changes in dimensions affect the volume of common geometric solids. Okay, some vocabulary terms. A cylinder is a three-dimensional figure having two parallel bases that are congruent circles. A cone is a three-dimensional figure with a vertex and a circular base. And a sphere is a set of all points that are a fixed distance from a given circle called the center. So a circle is going to have a diameter and a radius, and it will have a circumference. We define the area of the circle. It's going to be pi times the radius squared. The circumference of a circle is 2 times pi times the radius. Let's talk about cylinders. The volume of the cylinder is going to be pi times the radius squared, which is the area of the base of a cylinder, times the height. Okay, so basically a cylinder is a circle with height. A cone is very similar to a cylinder, except it has a circular base in the bottom, and it is tapered up to a vertex at the top. So the volume of a cone is going to be 1/3 times the area of the base, which is pi r squared, times the height. The other figure we're going to talk about in Module 1 is a sphere, and the volume of a sphere is 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. So the volume of a sphere, or a basketball or a soccer ball, is basically the radius cubed times pi times 4/3. And the last thing we're talking about in this module is Cavalieri's principle. And Cavalieri's principle says if two space figures have the same height and the same cross-sectional area at every level, then they have the same volume. So go through the pages on the website for Module 1 and contact me if you have any questions.